Okay, how to make an AI mail agent which sends your mails in drafts so you can check it and send it afterwards. First of all, this agent is made in n8n, an automation software, so I assume you already have this. Second of all, it's the paid version, and this mail workflow is made with Outlook. So these are things you have to take in consideration. Of course, you can change every workflow. So let's get right into it. This right here is the mail agent I made. It works really well for e-commerce businesses. This is also a client which has an e-commerce business. I will go through it, and of course I will put the workflow in the description so everybody can use it for free. First of all, you receive the mail, nothing fancy. Every 5 minutes the mail agent checks for new mails, and it sends through the body, the sender and the subject. Then it goes through a code node which converts the text to normal text, so the AI agent can more easily read it. Second, it goes through a mail filter. These are all mails which do not have to get answered, because maybe it's like from another business or from your shipping business, so you can filter out mails here. Then it goes through a mail orderer, and this mail it's just a simple change of data. I will not go through this too much. It just orders the data which it got from the mail filter. Then here is where the magic happens. This is an AI agent which got a prompt to check in all these 5 inputs or data points. First two, this is the OpenAI chat model. I use OpenAI for this. You can use other AI engines, large language models. Simple memory because it's free and it's enough to do these tasks. Then Outlook memory. This is simply just for the AI mail agent to look back in the mail history, so it sees what the customer has sent already, and it knows how to respond in this context. These two are very interesting. First one is order data. This is a sub agent, and this one looks at the website, the e-commerce website, for example, the status of the order, the status of the shipment, the track and trace code, but also the address, to check if the address is good for the order, the amount, the product, etc. And product information. This is simply just a lot of data about the product. So what happens is, here this one is set out to ask these tools questions. So for example, a client sends a mail about a product that is broken. Then I will go through this, and the AI will look at the order data. For example, when is it ordered? Does it still fall in the guarantee period? It looks in the Outlook memory to see what has already been sent about this issue, and it can also look at the product information, for example, to see where the defect could be, or if the product is still for sale. Of course, these tools are very variable. Sorry for my English, I'm still learning to speak English better. So yeah, you can change this afterwards, and this is a very important one for me, a response generator. So this one only takes all the information and makes a valuable answer for the client, and this one changes all the information and the answer into a good mail with a good layout and in a right way of writing, so it's clear for the customer. Just it puts it together in a good mail. Afterwards, and this one is really important because I had a lot of trouble doing this and finding the right way. If you have Outlook and you want to make a draft first, so a customer sends a mail and AI makes a draft automatically, so you can still check if AI sends the mail well, and you can always change the draft and send it afterwards. For me, I think this is nice because you cannot always trust AI. So the draft creation is an HTTP request, and you have to use this URL, graph.microsoft.com, and I would always ask ChatGPT for more information, but this is the URL you need. And then here you see receive mail. That's like the mail ID. So what this the URL, it's a post method because you like post a draft. You have to connect your credential type. It's a predefined credential, so it's just like the Outlook authorization. You fill the account in here, or you can choose it, and then you send only headers with the content type, and the this is just a normal thing you send. You can all copy this from the video, but of course I will send the whole workflow in the description. I will put it so you can all see it. In this video I will just go over it quickly. So this, here you see create reply. This URL is the most important thing about this node. And I will put this also in the description, so you can use this because this is the most important one. And this took me the most time to figure out. So the draft is created now with a good response based on the knowledge it got from all these data inputs. And the last step in this workflow is to fill in the draft. This is just simply by using an Outlook node, and the resource is a draft and the operation is update. So it simply updates a draft. The draft ID is simply just a mail ID which you can find in the workflow once you run it, and the message is just the output of this response generator or something else. You maybe notice I go through it really quickly because it's more of a guide instead of a step-by-step tutorial how to make this. I just want to show what's possible, and in the description I will put it completely so you can use it if you want to. Yes, thank you for watching, and hopefully you get some value out of this. In the future I will be making some more videos with more effort put into it, because now I just simply press record and show my workflow which I made recently. But in the future I will make more of a tutorial style videos and with some more preparation. So for now, if you have any questions, just please send a comment. I will respond to it. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share. Thank you.